friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make egg curry. You can see I have boiled the eggs, taken potatoes. I will fry them, then I will make the curry. I have taken onions, cut up. This is the masala paste. This has got garlic, jeera, onions. I made it into a paste. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Friends, let's fry the eggs here. Friends, the potatoes are fried up. I fried up the egg also. I've taken some darchini and some long. This I will put in now. In the same oil, I will make the curry. This is the chopped onions which I'm going to put in. Friends, you can see the onions turning brown. Now I will put in some turmeric powder. I will put in the masala which I made into paste. I will put in the salt also. Now I will let the masala turn brown. Friends, the masala is turned brown. Now I will put in the potatoes. Put in the cut up tomatoes. I will put in the eggs also. Now I will add some water. Now I will put some garam masala powder. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, the egg curry is ready. I hope you all will like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video.